inside. So, Lady D.
Well, it's your boy. It's your total family. I play today on a linkage 0.5 F inside this. Why am I telling you the out inside?
Hey, sir.
I find locked in listening to the inside on radio.
You're in this sitting in your home, listening to it on 1.5. Yeah, the spade. To go them lock. Yeah, the new day.
Into East with Lake Get Talos.
Everybody falling. The star presenting.
It's another Saturday, and I'm the show inside. Oh. After 20 minutes after 6, my voice the airwaves. Our radio 105 FM 1.6. Hey everybody, on. Good evening. You're driving about rested. a tip stepping over. I don't know when it's gonna melt. It rains. Am I correct? Yeah, I do believe we're tomorrow. So, tomorrow. So most would be washed away. So then, hello, good evening, everyone. To the show inside the zone with here on Lincoln Show 5 1.7 F Lincoln Show. We bring you the best reggae, R&B, gospel, calypso. Most of all, this aired right here on Sing State, and it's a pleasure to be with you on today because it's Center State platform. Heard connect and connecting the globe. Linkage rate. www.lincoln.com. Wherever you are, whoever I welcome. Oh, it's time. Oh my! You don't know what with you today. You stopped by right time. It's timing and to all my who are home and do what you have to do. Go to our senior centers, hang out with them, and take trips abroad and on cruises. You've earned it. I give you a round of applause. All my seniors doing so well and making life so much better for themselves. Let's see of their lives, isn't that? So hello to my all the children today. Perhaps children are at school or something, but I hope you know where they are. Good evening. Hello to all people locked here on in Linkage. We'll keep it going for 7. We want to know, let everyone, no matter what time you turn on your computer, logging on radio.com, or your iPad, iPhone, or your Android, wherever get log into .com, and you're gonna hear, either gonna hear me, or there is a presenter doing their thing, and you're gonna hear. Welcome to the show. Minutes after 6 o'clock. I do apologize for the segment in the Word. The Glad platform. It's about 2 weeks ago. He has had this voice not cleared up. It's not doing him at all, and so he's not able to present for because he voice is not good, and you can hear him. So back next week when his voice is better, and so forward. It will not be aired at and momentarily Touch FM will be on with me. 1.1 in the good evening, everybody. It's Miss Lady D joining me. Welcome, welcome, welcome. What do I have for you today? It's an edition of the show stage today, where people connecting with you. We'll be connecting with you. So I have to hear from some of you. You've turned to be silent listening. Not sure why, but I remember you. Wherever you are, I'm to you. 4 minutes after 6. The telephone number is 914-42914-234. Great show for you. 6 p.m. to 8 p.m. What will I be doing for you this coming up in a few inspiration zone? And I have to praise with my Lord, my Jesus Christ. He's yours. So I have some selection for you. Pieces of the past this evening. I will be to the history of the Bogwood Cube in 1980 was the largest in the world, 6,000 feet long, 8 feet in diameter, 1,700 pounds with 60,000 rivets. I'll through that history about the book. Tube in Cath, Jim West in, and say hello to everybody of the pop. At 4 p.m. I have Zone, some nice music for you. Coming up at 7 Zone, it's a woman this evening, Dr. Monica Mark. It's me always at 7. We'll be talking about cervical cancer, January, cervical cancer, and we're looking at East, just what about women. And at 7 p.m., for half an hour, we'll be wrapping up the Zone. And who is this evening? Stone, Angela Laverne, December 1961, an American artist, producer, so some selection, Angie Stone. 26 minutes, 6 o'clock. I don't think it's about time. Let's praise on inspirational this evening. Good evening and all. Good evening, every listening my voice. Good evening. It's a Thursday. We have a lot going on the Thursday. Hello, everybody. Let's get it going. Our inspiration. I will bless the all time.
Let's try again. That's the song. Do it again.
Yeah, that's what it's all. That's what it's all this evening here. I will bless the Lord at all good joys. Great, great, great. My choir does that. Yep. It does that song. Good evening, everyone. To Touch FM 90.1 in the evening. Telling you whatever you're in the Bronx. What you doing? I'm one right now. Are slicing of chicken, or they're the chicken frying pan, or the pot. They're putting something in, or they're making, I don't know, whatever tea you like. A hot coffee. Doing something, right? Well, and your feet up. Really, what a day! What a day! What a day! What a day! And you just bask in your moment, body to body, just getting your way, make you just and say, "I love work. I want to be home. I want to be real. Leave me alone." Okay, 6:32 on the zone. Lady D, everyone, making the transition from the Lord time into the all pieces. I have not done past a long time, and I wanted to feature past in this today's edition called Inside. The show is brought by Jonathan Wright, LL, improving health one client. Reliable and accurate. Take your financial health to the level. That's on right. Group section. As a matter of fact, Saturday she's hosting Live to Lead conference. It's a cast thing going in New York. I'll be and promises to be really to one of those. She can also tax and book. I invite you to call 734 29 327 1820. Everyone, welcome. And for us, what I call peace past. Do this before we get into
thanks, I'll be. Living while I'm the Father, pray holy, all week, every day. I keep Christ on my lips, why not leave? I feel on a rock, on a grave. If they value, they feel like no love. People who feel bad, go to the way God. What do you some tough country? Pull up my attention, you know roll. Close for me back, less I could go on the full into. Even while I'm to the Father, only how we get every day. Me I keep some a little pay. I don't want to play. Miss enough for one wheel rock about okay to stand opportunity here scare detail by myself when I last when you go past whoever it's a repetitive no pouch spending the time in we know to who ethical life of is to bring to go on the full and to that's right bigger now from where son I will go on the full and to even while I'm to the Father, Only him know how we every day on the eye. I'm a little pay. I know only I rip on the rock. I grind. We've never live with back. No people for real back. Soul, mega soul. It's to stop the use out of God. Full of passion, get no payroll. Post by your countless. Good girl, no, no, forbidden. I'm a living into the fire and pray. Oh, all true and only I get the price I have to pay. Why don't explain? Who cannot run away? But what up to get every laughter opportunity as here humanity. This time I tell you when I laugh and send you. Never you ever in competitive look people when did it while earning we God for it my cup to the brim. I could go no, never been the fullest so no, never been could go the full be
That's Buja for you. Not people when they hear Buja's voice. It's easy to say, boy, or you make a comment. But we know right, he's doing it for everyone. It's not pieces of the pie. And I you too. The year 4. Hello or from in St. West. If you're from Jamaica and you're parish of Catherine, I would like to say to you featuring a part of your parents. 1904 was the largest pipe in the world, 6,100 feet, 8 in diameter, weighing 7,000 pounds, with 260,000 holding together. About walk 2. The Earl of 4, not 4, clear and clear. In Spanish, St. Catherine, there is outside. Men were lined up to catch their work as usual. They waited and realized it was coming. Caught rides, nets, and buggy. The unlucky out on. Everyone was quite sure what had happened. It had been temporary. Soon be. The time rolled around. Wild rumors circulate horrible at Oak Power Station that had a tram car system at West Electric. It was said that 80 men had been cleaning and dead in the 8-foot cast iron, also known as boom, that water from the Aubrey River to the station washed into lines, and the silk debris was not made for it to, so as not to break the flow of water, and therefore hydroelectric nothing had ever happened before. Rock rail stations, newspaper offices, anywhere information possibly found were packed inquiries. Much later, used to be that 3 wounds were sent to Bog Walk train. The accident. In Bog time, crowd gathered at the Dr. Ham called to. It was never forget they lived. Women, children lying on the rolling over, touching handfuls, stone, earth, and skirt, loud, last extremity, agony. They searched ones who seemed lost to them. At that time, they were believed and 17. A few months later, it was confirmed 17 had to escape a hole near to the dam itself. At 1 o'clock in the morning, 61 had gone into the huge located 15 yards of the station. 5 curved upward and then downward directly into the itself. And then encountered about water brought down to Alan MacDonald. Survivors came to a gleaner at the explained that hour of going he felt a level rise, but he didn't think there was anything about. It couldn't have been from the dam. It was closed. It was always and the men were the pipes kept rising, but surely it was always and by 4 a.m. The men's panic. Supervisor Mr. Zell apparently tried to and calm them. There was trying to get out. There was an exit of the dam, but his men and threw torches into the so that they were covered in dust. Soon it was said a man to the manhole torch and calling 20 managed to get over 20 it took for the water to fill. It opened and remained. Sight reveal that it's saved men of 30. According to words of the destroyed experience and best to come to terms with this seemed to say water must have time swelled to the point where it went over the sand debris to no one to tell this. It is believed that 3 of the men in a very near section of the pipe stricken near a proselyte had exit 3-foot wide time and effectively human plug entombing party behind. The 3 were found round together, clothes, faces completely related. After within a few days, the system was back in action. Families who had lost fathers, brothers, tried to come to terms with this. While the West Indian Electric Company behaved very critically to families, organized funeral services and financial contribution, the general feeling someone had somewhere for that level to have a pay. Ensuing nations ruled an accident, small consequences for many who suffered losses. Today, the Boardwalk Power stands closed. In the 90s, the tram company was replaced with a bus system. The tram line and replaced wider. Some, such as roads, still exist. Cars in 19 a large pipe, so many were arrive. Shall we preserve the memory of the catastrophe on that own
savvy. I know. I'm living one to the free. Always to every only I price I'm on pay. Why don't I see people rip on all around. If they hesitate, like don't on the people for real. Now the door told me the soul is to stop the get out of full of education. You prepare the close back and out. Old good and on never been. I'm a living to the
Yeah, the bog walk. Out the bog walk. I don't know how many I've ever heard this page coming out of West Indies, but one day in the 1901 on June 20, mark that calendar. No person saw bog walk them if they've ever. Have you ever heard the bog walk? Do you know the bog? They might say, oh, a long pipe, but they might anything else. Ask them. Okay. Welcome to the show. For you past 6 p.m. brought to you by Right LLC Financial Leadership Development. Give 273-29% right. Trying to get your taxes. Donna Ferguson help you. You're struggling to have taxes or something is just, or perhaps providing them with the your meaning your tax, then seek advice. Okay, so 773-1889. Everybody, beautiful states in stage. The platform voices are heard and people. And I got some in Music Zone coming up in 6:48 at 7 o'clock. After Monica Mott here, we will be talking for cancer. So this January, that's what is organized as a part of the nation calendar, and we will be talking about Eastern. There are certain things you need to know. Men who have not been to a doctor, and they are going. Signs that you're saying, oh, it's going, but I encourage you not to do things like 9 p.m. lined up right now in at 7:30 p.m. featuring Stone. She writes songs like one of those didn't miss you or think it over, you know, some selection. And one party I also on this day in history, and the news is always, you know me, such news on, you can't have to and go news, but you tuned into your and your bits and stuff, what's going on. There's some coming out of Japan, some that make have to keep moving, just like you. Everybody, music.
Continuation. So that's the Island continuation. Jah show his appreciation. Stand against the ceiling, rally and invasion. Money, we love cash money. Cash money, full. Cash money, deep. Cash money, oh. 250 kilometers of Addis Ababa, connected by the King's Highway, all the way down to Kenya, Kazakhstan, Langano. Some of the places we love to go, the hot springs when they come for one low. Selassie on the second hello, money. We love cash money. Money full, money deep, money oh, brother, we'll be strong. Yes, we've got to try to love brother, this money lady. Shasha man, Shasha man, President Deputy, Patriot man, Shasha man, Korea, Salaman. Oh Shasha, oh Shasha, oh Shasha, Shasha man. Oh Shasha, oh Shasha, oh Shasha. Ask you teacher. Teaching little children, just see what you're doing for Shashaman, baby. Yes, Shashaman, yeah. I know the world will be saved. For you they will cry. Shashaman, we love Shashaman. We love Shashaman. Yeah. We love Shashaman.
That's music, ladies and gentlemen. In history, Theodore makes Grand National Monument.
When I wake up each morning, give thanks for the day. Sometimes I wonder if I make it okay. All of the pressure and the struggles and feel like it I go drive me. But let me take a check and then all of the memo come back. My heart feel broken when I bother complain. I remember words that my dad said after a storm, my friend. Must be a calm after the storm, my friend. The sun is gonna shine again after a storm. There must be a calm after the storm, my friend. The sun is gonna shine again. Sometimes it's no easy, come with everything. I don't really know what tomorrow might. Keep your head above the water, make sure you find a good place. And we need another shoulder. Remember these words my daddy said after a storm, my friend. There must be a karma after the storm, my friend. Sun it again, again for a storm, my friend. There must be a karma after the storm, my friend. The sun it again. Days ahead, better days ahead. Blue skies I see, and the sun shining brightly. And when the gold drop, and when tough, here comes another day. Not enough to realize it's a time for what? Remember the sacrifice. Get up and don't you play. Just wait for another day. Remember these words that my daddy said. For a storm, my friend, there must be a calm again after the storm, my friend. Sun it again after a storm, my friend. There must be a calm again after the storm, my friend. Sun it again. Oh, 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 I know. Yeah. Oh. After the storm, they can walk. After the storm, yeah, yeah. So it's no easy. Everything after the storm, my friend. I don't really know what tomorrow might. No, after the storm, my friend, my days, bright today, blue skies I see, the sun bright. So when I wake up in the morning for the day, sometimes I want to make it up through all of the pressure and the struggles and the pain and beat. It I go insane. Yeah, 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 yeah. The storm. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
How are you?
Voice. About singing.
Dr. Hills, how are you, Dr. Mark?
Happy New Year, lady. How are you?
Well, I'm well. Yeah.
I know you.
Dr. Ma, so nice to talk to you and cause me to be, I don't know what's going you know, you're saying just licking left, right, and center.
You're the one who is, in my sense of always the same. You're the one who is to it, I guess.
So I get so nice here.
Come on, Lady D. I congratulate you. Use this opportunity to congratulate you on that the council member and annual New Year ball, New Year's
Yes.
Monday. That was so well deserved. You look so beautiful. Your dress was stunning. Your speech was impeccable.
Thank
So
you.
congratulations.
Appreciate it. Thank you.
Yes.
I appreciate it. How was the Christmas, the New Year?
The Christmas and New Year were very nice, very good. I didn't really like to travel during the days, but this time I stayed put in New York, so well, enjoyed it.
Yes. Nice. And we have been with health for a few years. Maybe going about Martin.
Time flies at 4.
Yeah. About
At least
4.
3.
Yeah.
Maybe 4. Yeah.
And you're
Well, it's always a plus.
yes, and you're adding great asset to nation to or and you've gotten so really good back, and we are appreciative for all the people listening. We keep doing what we do here inside this Kid Radio.
Yes, information is very important. That's why I say I was there because you impart knowledge to your listeners. And, knowledge is power, and God's in all our get understanding. So, if you look at the general media, they don't take it into consideration. They just basically ask you every day stuff. And so you're impart positivity. People get to learn something about their health, their environment, and so on. And it's very, very useful.
Yes, indeed. Welcome from you, and thank you for making it happen. Do this on without be a part that provide the so thank you.
Pleasure.
We are in our the year of Day. Today is 11. We have decided to this half hour, ladies and gentlemen. January recognized as cervical cancer this month. Dr. Mon would also the topic of yeast. So we have a twofold session for you radio evening and touching not one in the Bronx. So Dr. Mark, I'll start off by talking about cervical. We've heard you have from these, and we go to the doctor, not paying attention.
Very preventable.
Yeah.
Very preventable disease, yeah. Well, I'm
to that.
Well, as I say, January is cervical health or cervical cancer next month. But, as a gynecologist and as all gynecologists, there are cervical awareness and cervical health very all year round. We have selected a month to bring the awareness to people. But the cervix is more important organ than the woman. And so, they're aware of our cervix all year round. We have done shows the uterus before, and I serve the uterus and cervix as a shape of a pear, and the end of the pear, the small part is the cervix, and the upper part is the body of the uterus. And so this structure of uterus and cervix, the cervix hangs down partially into the vagina. It plays a very important role for the woman's reproductive system, because the fact that it hangs or fits the vagina means that it is really exposed to whatever may come into the vagina, like sexually transmitted diseases of HPV, which we now know is one of the major causes of probably cancers of cervix. It is sexually transmitted. I tell my patients, don't be shy. When you meet someone, make sure you have an idea of their history. Make sure you have, point out of their personal situation or explanation of their sexual health. Because when you have sex with someone, it's open to the vagina, it's open to the uterus. And when you have bacteria and different organisms in the vagina, it's actually heading up the cervix, up to the uterus, up to the tube. Sometimes women can't understand why they get pregnant, because when went through the cervical tube and damage the tubes years ago and block the tube, and so the cervix is a very, very strategic structure of reproductive system. And so it is exposed to what I said before, any kind of transmission of organism. When a woman gets a discharge, we're going to go on the topic of infections. You have a yeast infection, but there's so many different organisms that can go up and cause damage. For example, the HPV papilloma virus, and it's transmitted, and it comes in the whole range of them. We have the vaccine, I think the last years or so ever vaccine, that is young girls. I'm not too familiar but I know it's targeted to HPV viruses. There are different viruses, different strains. Two of the strains, number 16 and 18, are the main ones that have the oncogenic cancer-causing viruses. Those two are targeted vaccines that are used to prevention. Then women can also know that when you get vaccinated, you're vaccinated against two viruses, or maybe four. And so it's still kind of HPV is just one infection, and it can be disastrous. The good news about HPV is that a lot of times it can resolve it, but when it's persistent is when you raise your eyebrows. Oh my goodness, leading up to cancer later on in my life, gynecologist months or so on and so on, that I'm because if left, that could turn cancer, which is deleterious to your life.
Okay.
That's one of the viruses.
Just one of the viruses. 10 minutes after 7. Nika Martin, Health Zone. Have a question, Martin? Please call here 9600 9202 4 radio and touch. Well, on Martin, we can transition yeast infection.
So, yeast infection. Well, as I said a minute ago, a lot of times when a woman has kind of a discharge infection, first thing she says, "Oh, I have an infection," and then she goes to the pharmacy and she buys something, and it doesn't work. I kind of, that's not the healthy way to do it. But if a woman gets any kind of infection that's causing her discomfort, she will see her doctor and make sure either the doctor can look at it or they can cultures exactly what organisms, and to make sure they know exactly how to. So you don't always get a yeast infection. It might not be a yeast infection, it might be a bacterial infection, pneumonia, some other organs that's disturbing the vagina, irritation, and so on. So that's one of the main things that fall into. Every discharge, every inflammation, doesn't mean it's a yeast infection. That's causing a lot of concern left untreated. Some of these infections can again end up being disastrous to the woman's life, her fertility, and
I believe it all. This vaginal
vaginal irritation. Sometimes you can get even urinary burning. A lot of times it looks like a tract infection, but when you it was really a yeast infection irritating the skin. And when you pass the urine and that urine touches the skin area, the area of the urethra, then you get a burning. Sometimes you go to the side clinic trying to knock those side clinics, but they're like they need to change some of their ways. There's another woman who came, she had this problem and they just slapped her with a lot of antibiotics. She did not have a urinary infection. She had a yeast infection that irritated the vulva, and then when the urine touches it, it burns. So when you have to go to a doctor, when you go to a doctor, they can take their time to understand what the problem is.
Yes. Talking about the infection, ladies and perhaps for the women and for men, because men also are see signs how broach that with and also pay attention for those paying attention time they start to pay attention, because if your partner is doing something to Martin, you
yes, and the men themselves, though theoretically the yeast infection is not really sexually transmitted infection, but in my opinion, if you are a man and you're having sex with someone has a yeast have sex with your partner, I can see how that can also be transmitted. But officially we don't accept that as a means of transmission. But in my work, I try to individualize the situation and determine whether or not sometimes the man may have a rash, that you mentioned before. He may not want to vaccinate or tell his and he may have an irritation with the tip of the penis, and he doesn't want to tell anyone, to his partner. It could be from just some local friend. And the woman alone getting treated and the man may be harboring the organ.
Oh, so that's to know.
Yes, important to know.
Now, what about inflammation?
Really a form of, call it, irritation of the when the bacteria infects the area, then the tissue gets kind of bruised and irritated, and then it becomes inflamed.
Okay.
So that's inflammation. And category. When a woman comes in with inflammation that's due to a yeast infection or another infection, once you treat the organism, it comes back. Ooh, it's all right. The inflammation and everything with the infection. And so, it's very important to practice of her body, delay her visits, and I'm going to work, or I'm going next month, and when it gets really bad, it's very uncomfortable.
And I get that are of older.
There could be over other organisms, not just you could have other things going on, like some bacteria, you could have virus, you could have chlamydia, and these are organisms that are more dangerous, and in terms of infection that can cause uterus and the tubes and damage. And if you have chlamydia in pregnancy, it can damage the baby when the baby is born and so on. So it's a very serious thing. Any kind of irritation, odor, pain, you can view and pictures and get the organisms to go to the lab, and so you can get what the result is.
All right. Stay with me, Doctor. It's health, ladies and gentlemen, brought and right element. Improving one client at a time. Rely on financial health. Next.
Don't send us to share. Don't send us to share. To lose your soul, don't you ever. 'Cause if you do, you lose. Don't you ever. Don't you ever. Riches, that's a young. Yes, when you're down. Listen, that's a young. All we need it. Come down. That's all you got. That's all you got. Light shine bright. Oh, it's every life is just under the sun. The ninja and we could change that we share. In the light, fighting inside. Hey, fighting love and joy. The doctor say, so don't hurt your soul, hurt your soul. I got you got sensational.
Don't say. Oh, that's Paris, right? 19 minutes clock. Dr. Martin is on, and we're talking some challenges that go through yeast infections, and Dr. She has always been here to provide information because
Exactly.
that we do so after 7 o'clock. Watches and Donna Ferguson 327 18. Share some information with us, Doctor, on each.
Okay. So when I said to you, to use it as a broad term for viral infection. So, yeast infection per se has a lot of problems itself, but what I would like to move the awareness to the fact that it is not a yeast infection. But yeast infection in itself can be a nuisance. You know, yeah, it can be a nuisance. You know, in the medical world, we call it candida. Is like the type for infection. You have different common ones, and so on. Then you have the other types, all these long names, perhaps, and all these. Each one has a different story. Albicans is the one that causes the most. A lot of times when you have these yeast infections, cause things, for example, diabetes tend to be made with yeast infection. The organism itself, it likes the molecule, and I remember as a student when I was doing my little, I used to work in the lab, in the microbiology lab, and we used to grow the yeast, grow different organisms, and we used to plate on sugar, and that's what the yeast used to do. So like sugar, so diabetics, they tend to have, appearances of yeast. Then you have, and so anybody whose immune system is down, for example, people with HIV and other autoimmune diseases, their immune system is down or compromised, they tend to have a example, it can be blood, it can get to the liver, it can do damage. But I don't want to scare people because that's very rare. But that's how when the immune system is down, the person gets a chance to do. That's why this is one of the organisms that any chance they get, they're gonna grow. See, women who take like an antibiotics long term because they have a kidney problem or something like that. I always tell people to go to the doctor and they give them antibiotics. We're not a gynecologist, I don't know, cream or something to prevent or to go to a gynecologist to help you deal with what's going to happen, because you're going to end up with a infection because the antibiotic is going to kill the bacteria that the doctor is trying to kill. It's also going to kill the good bacteria in the body and more infection. It has to be really watched very carefully because it can just get out of hand. So everything to do with your immune system down, even stress can cause yeast infection persistent. You know, coming back. Sometimes we have to go to cream, we have to use tablets that are more strong, and sometimes tablets more than we would like to, because these tablets, the fluconazole, they have side effects. And we try to avoid it. Sometimes that's yeast infection. I'm taking a break to say something.
That's all right, Doc. That's okay.
I'm just talking.
No, you have all the 20 minutes to go. This whole section, men who have all encountered, you know, situation time where so stressful, they're so tired, and it embarrassment.
Because like I said, without knowledge, sometimes they don't understand and they get frustrated. You know, it's a little complicated when things are not understood. It's very important for people to understand what's happening to their body. Not to just take yourself knowledge, power, so you can ask your doctor the right questions. And you can change your diet. You can cut back all that eating sweet stuff, sugar. You know, I tell my patients, you're sweet enough. You don't need all that. Right? You gotta cut back on the sugar, cut back on all the bread. You know, another cost. And so your diet is very important. More vegetables, more nutritious things, and you're going to respond nicely for you.
Okay. So we've and one of those, especially the answer that is caught early.
If caught early, it can be done.
Yes, a lot.
Yes.
And who are in the medical, they keep having the doctor is wrong.
Right.
That's what I noticed.
You know,
so. Don't go to them unless feel well or signs of something, or it becomes for the doctor to buy based on your job, like that. But really go to the doctor. Do go. There's something seem what's happening.
Exactly. Because they have not been in. You have to be in touch with your body. Or when we have a nice car, even if the car is nice, we still take it to the shop. Somebody check it over.
Yes.
You know, everything is good, but our bodies will just leave for something. That's really because don't think that doctors are gonna. Some doctors send you a reminder for a visit, but doctors don't do that because sometimes it almost makes you feel as if you to people to come in, and you know, it's easy for the doctor around and need to come in. So if you care about your body, you have to make sure that somebody's looking after you. You know.
I agree.
So cervical cancer is one of the most preventative. I have treated cervical cancer with just a 5 minutes in the office. So late you can't have it treated. All of these things are preventable, so make sure you check yourself out.
Oh, well, we are so you joined us. And while we discussed, for some people, oh Lord,
Of course.
somebody
We have to talk about it. It's part of the conversation.
somewhere is experience. We're talking
Exactly.
They're
Right
saying,
now.
oh, something about me. Oh, yes, we're talking.
Yeah.
Let them know how to catch you.
Okay. So, my number is 213-5811. Mail is Dr. Dr. Monica Martin at Yahoo. www.drcmartin.com. Something like that. I'm gonna get that right. I have another one. drmonicahills.com. That's one of them.
To Monica Hills. Congratulations. Looking forward to her and
Yes, it's a blessing to have passed for another year, and it's an opportunity to always do better.
that's right. Ways I'm gonna and say enjoy your
Yes. Me,
oh
it's a pleasure talking to you.
yes, oh for having you.
God bless.
Bless you.
You don't faith. God put my trust in you and sheds me. I heard why there ain't way we'll anymore. And to go on live this way. Like you don't want this to you don't have to love. Oh, I can tell you your love I try and see, or I just on like pretending it. You make me feel so bad. You make hear you. How could I ever go living this way? Act like a child, so you don't know how to be loved.
Oh no no oh you don't that's out of connection. 32 p.m. wrap for health. Ladies and gentlemen, Dr. will be back next the second Thursday in the month. My name is Lee. Welcome to Zone. Ferguson will see financial health at a time. Well, and can take you to the next level. Preparation. Keep Get 734 29 732 829. It's now time. I call Miss Angie Stone, born Angel. It's a piece and act. Are you ready? Great music, gentlemen. Are you? Play. Yeah, someone alighting from right now, driving in your street. Boy, that is rough one when you have to find parking, especially just getting home and put your bag down. What a day! What a day! Down 5 for some Angie. Welcome featured artists and information give you about her. Your fam rate 90.1. Thank you all for tuning in with Go.
pay close attention into it and never you can go on correct those imperfections. Change your game or outside your lane. Ain't like a man. You understand? Almost got back the play. If you start breaking up into me, everyone got a back plan. You can't. I'm a piece of backup plan. It just have a backup plan. Oh, everyone's got a back plan. How we do. Now that I understand it, baby, I got a backup plan. It brings more yeah, you're dead, baby, because my phone was dead. The same thing. If you start crazy, woman's got everyone needs a back. Woman's got a plan. I got a good head. He said, she said, still ain't sticking me back. I'm telling you, ain't hearing you. What do anyone take my heart? I ain't hearing. What's not what do? Keep moving, don't disturb. Don't see, listen. What love is, and to ensure that explain and make it plain. Hearing you, let's hear it. What love
She reminds me of Jill Scott. Angie I featured artists name Angie Starr or an Angela with a mix Laverne. Recording producer She rose to 1970 as a member of the trio. Soon after, began working futuristic man and singer in the early 1980s. I got more music for you. Right up to 8 p.m. at the when we wrap up inside the zone on Linkage 104.5, 101 FM. Evening every 7:40. Hope you're doing great this evening. I'm here, keep 914 428 912 934 400 2. Got more me. Ready? Stone. Group session, individual and leadership development. Speaking drops Donna Ferguson 73429. Email d@ferguson.com.
Never let go.
Candice coming.
Hey, yeah.
Got plans, don't you? 7:15.
I'm with you. I just can't take another. I can't take another. Oh, what's it gonna be? Are you committed to me? I don't wanna let out. I give you my shoulder. It's getting heavy, much to carry, and I can't do this no more. Over and over, broken. So you tell me the truth. We got too much to lose. I think I'm worth it, baby. Take it over. Baby, take it over. Not into sharing what's mine. Exclusive is the bottom line. So what's it gonna be, baby? Are you leaving? Or are you down the road that I don't wanna go? Oh, no. Over and over, you lose it. You're so tired. One ride, just nobody's gonna hold you now like I do, and you know it's the truth, baby. You tell me the truth, baby. Yeah. Take it over, babe. Please take it over. We've got so much to lose, baby. Take it over. Might have to get your shoes. Yeah, yeah. Take it over, babe.
Stone, and 1999. Stone was one of the R&B No More This Cloud. After the transition records, another gold album. 2001's Mahogany, which includes Wish I Didn't Miss You, Stone's most successful 2007, 2010, Rich Girl, and Drip 2015.
I want you to know.
Take it from 3 minutes. Hope you did. Gotta thank Ferguson Wright, Donna Ferguson, doing the show.
To understand everything and everything.
I'll be back today. Company the audience. Vintage Radio 105 FM and 1.7. Take it easy. Be good. Be good until my and thing. As I just smooth out of here with phone.
Never true. My please understood. Say that up to no around Wall Street rock, blue collar, tell you down ever chip on the corner, bruh. Talented, and to all of y'all, boss, you just love you from my life. No, I'm here for you, because you're mine. Said I want to that is no there is no one for you ever true. You knew so much to me, and what I knew. I'm so I'm through thinking brothers you I'm rising so proud whenever you face brothers down I'm proud of face